is a game changer for beginner students because there's one thing that will really elevate your watercolor experience, and that is the paper. If you feel that you're not ready, or maybe you are scared of using artist grade paper because the price is really high and it is a big commitment, this block is for you. Today, I want to share with you my new favorite artist quality watercolor block that I have used to replace my more expensive premium brands like Arches, Fabriano, and Winsor Newton. It's the same price as all of those student quality pads and blocks that you've probably been using for years. And we are looking specifically at the 100% cotton or rag content. And that's an important factor in an artist grade paper. Those blocks cost upwards of $65 to $90. Even for just a 9x12 format. You can have inexpensive brushes and you can have economy-minded watercolor paints, but if you don't have the right paper or you are still using student grade paper, you may experience pilling, or you may also feel that the paint just sits right on top of the surface rather than soaking in. And that means when you go to add a new layer, the wet brush just lifts the old paint right back up. And that's because student grade paper is usually made from cellulose, which is basically processed wood pulp. Professional papers made from 100% cotton. You can literally feel the cottony softness right out of the gate. It also absorbs water evenly, letting you layer beautifully. The difference in your painting is absolutely massive. Having 100% cotton or rag paper means you can build and build and build 5 or 6 glorious layers without any problems. I am Crystal Bashara. I'm an artist and illustrator, and I've been teaching watercolor to thousands of students all over the world for over 25 years. The watercolor block that I'm talking about is by Meeden, and they're a relatively new company. They certainly weren't on my radar, but they really offer an artist grade experience with all of their materials for a student-minded budget. And hey, who can't use saving a few dollars these days? This is an example of one of my watercolor paintings, and you can see the texture and that beautiful pulpiness. The experience painting on it was exactly the same as Arches and Winsor Newton and Fabriano, which were my go-tos. The paper absorbed the paint beautifully. I was able to build multiple layers, texture, and do all of the things I normally do, including some aggressive masking and lifting with my ivory brushes. So there's zero compromise. I also appreciate how bright white this is. This really allows your colors to pop. I also feel that this block is built better than the other blocks that tend to split at the edges. And I've been carrying this around in my bag for a few months now because I teach classes all over and I'm constantly driving around with it. So it really stands up to the test of wear and tear, unlike some of the other blocks. It's super easy to separate the pictures. You just pop a little card. I use a postcard or a business card. I try to refrain from using a dirty palette knife or a ruler, and it just comes apart really easily. The next thing you want to do is just slide your hand underneath to release the paper. If you're not familiar with blocks, they are definitely the way to go if you don't want to deal with stretching your paper or loose sheets of paper in a pad. It keeps your paper from warping and buckling because unlike a pad of paper, it's actually glued on all 4 sides. This particular block has 20 sheets, so it's quite lightweight. It's super practical. A delicious fresh sheet of paper is waiting for you underneath. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you try this new paper and don't let the price tag hold you back. Be sure to check out the product links below, and we'll see you the next time. If these free art lessons mean something to you, consider hitting that super thanks button below. It directly supports me and my efforts creating all of these free videos. And if you want more, you can check out my full course. There's over 30 videos in my playlist on my YouTube channel. Everything from how to choose the right paper, how to choose and care for your brushes, how to set up your watercolor space, and how to set up your watercolor palette. Everything is right there. I've included the link in the description box below.